People shot by a gun that was misfired. What happened? I was a firefighter in the Army and was on a deployment. We were doing a training exercise with the Air Force, and I was working with a guy who was a total idiot. He was very careless and didn't follow the rules at all. We were using a .50 caliber machine gun, and he didn't check to make sure it was unloaded. He also didn't have the safety on. He was messing around and accidentally pulled the trigger. The gun went off and I got hit in the leg. It hurt like hell and I was bleeding a lot. I was rushed to the hospital, and they had to do surgery to remove the bullet. It was a long recovery, and I had to go through physical therapy to learn how to walk again. I was in the hospital for a few months, and it was tough being away from my family. The guy who shot me was court-martialed and kicked out of the military. He was also charged with negligence and had to pay a lot of money in fines. I was awarded a Purple Heart for my injury, and I was also given a medal for my bravery during the incident. It was a scary experience, but I'm grateful to be alive.